Sexual encounters of the floral kind. The reproductive organs in a plant. The male reproductive organ, stamen, consists of the anther and the filament. The female reproductive organ, carpel, consists of stigma, style, ovary, and the ovule. Most plants have both female reproductive organs and male reproductive organs. The male reproductive organs are called stamen. Each stamen consists of a filament and an anther. The filament holds and attaches the stamen to the flower. The anther is a sac where pollen grains are formed. Female reproductive organs are called pistil or carpel. It consists of 3 parts with a different function each. The ovary is the enlarged section at the base of the carpel. It contains the ovules, which contain the eggs. The style is a tube that allows the male sex cell from the pollen grain to reach the female sex cell in the ovule, within the ovary. The stigma is a sticky platform, very rich with nutrients. Pollen grains land on it, germinate, and produce a tube that carries the male sex cell to the ovule. Pollination. Pollination is the act of transferring pollen grains from the male anther of a flower to the female stigma. This process can be made possible with the help of different factors, example insects, birds, wind, water, and even humans. Self-pollination. Self-pollination is when the pollen of a flower lands on the stigma of the same flower. Cross-pollination. Cross-pollination is when the pollen of a flower pollinates the stigma of another flower of the same kind. Process of fertilization in plants. When ripe pollen from an anther of the same kind of flower catches on the stigma, each pollen grain sends out a tiny thread-like tube. The tube grows down through the style and pierces one of the ovules in the ovary, so the male sex cell can reach the egg. The male sex cell and the egg fuse together. This process is called fertilization. After fertilization, each ovule changes into a seed, and the ovary changes into a fruit. Now, who can deny that flowering plants reproduce sexually? I know I wouldn't. Thank you for your attention.